Hi, my name is Martin and today I will be showing you how to install the SpeedBox tuning chip into your e-bike. SpeedBox is a tuning chip which eliminates the speed limiter so the motor won't switch off after reaching 25 kilometers per hour. During testing, we managed to reach a speed of over 70 kilometers per hour. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install SpeedBox 2 for e-bikes with Giant motors. For this installation, we will be using a hex key size 5, a crosshead screwdriver and a T20 torque screwdriver. Before the installation, take out the battery. Then remove the chain as well. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the chain ring using the hex key. Put the chain ring aside to get access to all the screws holding the plastic cover and unscrew them. Loosen all the torque screws holding the plastic cover and remove it. Release the plastic cover from the other side. Loosen the 4 screws holding the battery connector. Finally, loosen the 3 remaining hex screws holding the motor in the frame. Unscrew 2 of the screws completely. Leave the 3rd one inside to hold the motor. Take out the motor and pull out all the cabling. Disconnect the 2 connectors. Then install the SpeedBox to the original connectors. Before putting the cover back on, we check the functionality. When 9.9 in kilometers mode is displayed, the SpeedBox is on. When 2.5 in kilometers mode is shown, the SpeedBox is off. If 6.1 in miles mode is displayed, the SpeedBox is on. When 1.5 in miles mode is shown, the SpeedBox is off. We can then put the SpeedBox back inside the frame together with all the cabling. Try to avoid damaging the cables with the cover screws. Put the screws holding the motor back in the frame and tighten them well. Put the cover back on. Assemble the cover on the other side in the same way. Put the bottom cover back on as well. Put the screws holding the chain ring back and tighten them well. Reinstall the chain and tighten the screws holding the battery connector. Connect the battery.